In a lively forest, animals were bustling about preparing for the annual forest talent show. The squirrel was practicing acrobatics, the deer was rehearsing a dance, and the parrot was polishing its speech act titled, Wise Words of the Forest. Everyone was excited except the raccoon, who was too busy playing pranks on everyone. He smeared honey on the squirrel's balance beam and swapped the deer's dance shoes with oversized boots. Later that day, as the animals cleaned up the mess, Parrot flew over to Raccoon. "Raccoon," it began, "you seem to have plenty of energy for pranks. Why not channel it into something meaningful? Join the talent show." Raccoon scoffed. "Me? A talent show? What kind of talent do I have?" "Well," said Parrot, tilting its head, "you have a knack for making everyone laugh. That's a talent." Raccoon pondered for a moment. "All right, fine. But what's in it for me?" "The joy of performing, the cheers of the crowd, and maybe a shiny trophy," Parrot said. Raccoon's eyes sparkled at the mention of a trophy. "Count me in," he said. But secretly, he decided he wouldn't bother practicing. Instead, he planned to borrow someone else's act. The big day arrived, and the forest clearing transformed into a vibrant stage. Colorful banners fluttered in the breeze, and animals cheered from the audience. The squirrel opened the show with a breathtaking acrobatic performance. The crowd gasped and clapped as it flipped and twirled through the trees. Next came the deer, whose elegant dance left everyone in awe. "This is going to be hard to top," Raccoon muttered nervously from backstage. The parrot then delivered its moving speech, earning a standing ovation. When Raccoon's turn came, he stumbled onto the stage in a borrowed costume, attempting to mimic the deer's moves. Mid-spin, he tripped over his tail, sending stage props flying. The audience erupted into laughter, not the kind Raccoon had hoped for. As the laughter died down, Parrot flew onto the stage. "Mistakes happen," it said kindly, "but the real mistake is not trying something that's truly yours. Why don't you show us what you can do, Raccoon?" Raccoon hesitated. He glanced at the audience, who cheered, "Go, Raccoon, we believe in you." Encouraged, he grabbed a few pine cones and bananas lying nearby. He began juggling. At first, he fumbled, but soon he found his rhythm. He added funny expressions and twirled while juggling, making the crowd laugh with him, not at him. For the first time, Raccoon felt proud of himself. From that day, the raccoon became known as the forest's funniest performer. He stopped playing pranks and started practicing juggling, bringing joy to the forest with his unique talent. Moral of the story: being yourself is the greatest talent of all. Pretending to be someone else only leads to embarrassment, but embracing your unique qualities brings true success.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.